Okay, so an important thing to know about making cloth is to think of all the parts that you're looking at as though they are cylinders. That's not a good way of highlighting. Each part is kind of operating like a cylinder. Something that we didn't get to really cover about shading a cylinder is the principle of where the light falls and where reflective light falls. So here's my cylinder, right? Here's our cup. We'll say it's a totally opaque cup. It's not transparent. Here's the sun hitting it. That's the light source. That means the light is hitting it directly right there. That means the shadow is going to fall right here. This is where it's the darkest. And then there's a shadow being cast, going that way, right? And then there's this thing called reflective light. It's where the light bounces back up and hits the side of the object. That happens on spheres. It happens a little bit on cubes and triangular prisms as well. And in this case, it happens a lot on cylinders, and that's going to be very notable when you're drawing your cloth. Okay, so remember, it will be slightly lighter on the shading where the reflective light is coming in. It'll be the lightest over here where the direct light is hitting it, pa-pow. It'll be really dark right here where it's like the dark side of the moon. Nothing is hitting that. It's totally dark. And then down here, especially down here, little tiny bit less up here, definitely reflected in this whole area, reflected light. And when you're looking at your ghost, that'll be really evident as well. In this case, there's just sections where like it's super bright white, and then there's a little bit of gray, but it's definitely not black, black, black.